Web design is starting to feel completely different in 2026. Because AI is no longer just helping designers anymore, it's starting to work with them. And honestly, one of the biggest examples of that right now is Figma's new MCP server. So basically, AI tools like Claude and Cursor can now connect directly to your Figma files, which means AI no longer just sees a screenshot of your design. It can actually understand the layers, components, spacing, and structure behind it. And that's where things start getting really interesting with tools like Claude Design plus Anima. Claude can now generate website layouts from prompts, and Anima helps bring those layouts directly into Figma as editable layers. So instead of rebuilding everything manually, you can actually continue designing properly inside Figma. And all of this connects really well with Figma Weave. This honestly feels super futuristic. It's basically a visual AI workspace where you can connect different AI tools and workflows together in one place. You can generate images, edit them, compare outputs, and build workflows visually through node-based connections. And honestly, it feels more like creative programming than normal design software. And AI-generated visuals are improving really fast too. There's this new tool called Quiver AI that's focused completely on generating editable SVG graphics instead of normal AI images. So instead of getting flat PNGs that are hard to use later, you get proper vector graphics that actually fit into real web design workflows. You can generate things like logos, typography, illustrations, and animations. And honestly, that's what makes this tool really interesting. The outputs feel way more like actual design assets instead of just random AI art. Then there's Framer, and recently they introduced something called shaders. Shaders basically let you add advanced visual effects directly into websites without needing complex code. Things like animated gradients, particles, image effects, and logo shaders can now be added visually inside Framer. And honestly, this is one of the reasons modern startup websites suddenly look way more cinematic now. And finally, Lottie Creator MCP. Lottie files recently added MCP support, which means AI tools like Claude can now directly create animations inside Lottie Creator. So now you can literally ask Claude to build smooth animations that loop seamlessly, and AI helps generate them for you, which is a massive deal because modern websites use motion everywhere now. Hover effects, loading animations, animated icons, almost everything moves now. So yeah, web design is changing really fast right now. And honestly, this still feels like just the beginning.